And now for something completely different. Got this jar of pickles here, this gallon jar, and kind of puts you in the mind of a bread and butter pickle. But I got this recipe out of a Amish book that I have. And they call them refrigerator pickles. And 6 cups of cucumber sliced, a cup of green onion sliced, a teaspoon of celery seed, 1 cup of onion sliced, a cup of vinegar, 2 cups of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Mix all together and store in the refrigerator in glass jars. No need to cook it. Ready to eat in 24 hours. Now yesterday, my daughter and I put these together, and here a while ago we started eating them, and they do put you in the mind of a bread and butter, but they just got a really good flavor. And you can eat the onions and the peppers. You can eat everything that's in there. And that jar was full, and to do the gallon I doubled the recipe. But boy, these things are just good. And I'll probably just keep adding cucumbers, because I got a bunch of cucumbers. It's a good way to use them up and a quick way to make your own pickles. And I'll show you what book this is. It's called Canning the Amish Way. It's a pretty good book. Got a lot of cool recipes in it and home remedies. And I grew up, and I still have one of these cook stoves. Ain't no better cooking than on the old cook stove.